Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, my name is Molly and I do weekly meal prepping. So the last few weeks I've been doing a budget meal prep. It's been really fun to come up with nice cheap ideas to keep the grocery budget down since there's so many rising costs with everything, gasoline, housing, food. So this is a really great way to save money at the grocery store and keep on budget. So I'm gonna do my breakfast, lunch, and snacks for the week, and all of this prep is less than $17. So it's really great, really inexpensive, and super healthy as well. You know that all of my recipes are nice and healthy and simple, so they're easy to follow along. Subscribe to my channel if you are new and click the bell button so that you get a notification each time I post a video. And I will get all of this going, and I will put the recipe as well in the description box if you want to make any of this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do pancakes for breakfast this week. So I have this carbquick pancake mix. It's really great if it's keto friendly, if you're low carb, so it's really great. And it calls for heavy whipping cream and butter while making these. So you can use a regular pancake mix, and that would make this meal prep even less expensive because this is a little bit more pricey. So for lunch, I'm going to do ground turkey, and I have riced cauliflower, zucchini, and then I'm going to add in diced green chilies. These are fire roasted, flavored diced green chilies, so that'll give it tons of flavor for lunch. And then for snacks, I have edamame. You just steam it in the bag, and then I'll portion it into my snack bags for each day for this week. And then also I'm gonna have a cheese stick for snacks. These are really great, high protein, perfect, quick snack, great for on the go. So I will get all of this going, and lunch, breakfast, and snacks will be ready to go for the week.
Okay, so I have 2 cups of the carbquick mix, and I have 1 stick of butter melted, so half a cup of butter. I have a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 egg, and I have a cup of water. So I'm going to mix all these ingredients together in my bowl and make them into the pancake mix. So this carbquick mix is really great for keto pancakes, keto biscuits, or waffles, or anything around those lines. So if you are on the keto diet or low carb, this is really great. Check this out in the store for it, or you can use regular pancake mix if you're not trying to cut the carbs. So these are really great. I love pancakes. My kids love pancakes too. So these are really fun to make. After it's mixed, I'm going to put it into my little pancake dispenser thing. I'm not sure what these are called, but really great to have less mess, which I love. So I will fill this all up, and then it'll be ready to go into my mini muffin pans, which I'm going to make these in, which this is so easy and like I said, less messy. So I'm going to get these poured into my muffin pan, and then I have my oven preheating right now to 350 degrees so that it's ready to go. So I'm going to spray my mini muffin tin with a little bit of cooking spray in each little spot, and then I will put a little bit of batter. It doesn't take a lot, so just a little bit of the pancake batter into each little mini muffin tin. And then these are really quick and easy, so I'll just put them in the oven for about 5 to 6 minutes, and they cook just perfectly, perfect little round circles. Sometimes they call these silver dollar pancakes, but it's really great to make a big batch. You can also freeze these if you'd like, if you want to make a big giant batch, which I like to do sometimes to have them ready to go. But these are really fun and really easy. So I'm going to make my lunch now. I have my ground turkey, so I'm going to brown that all the way up. And then I am going to add in my other ingredients, my zucchini, my cauliflower rice, and my can of diced chilies. So this will be a really yummy, very healthy lunch for this week, and we're doing our budget-friendly meals. So this whole lunch is going to be less than $8 for the week. So it's really great, really budget-friendly. I love ground turkey. It's really inexpensive, nice and lean and healthy. So it's really great to have ready for lunch for the week. So once the ground turkey is cooked, I'm going to drain the fat before I add in the other ingredients. All right, now that the turkey is cooked all the way through, I drained the fat, and I am now going to add in my chopped up diced zucchini. I'm going to let that cook for a couple of minutes here in the pan. So I have it diced into smaller pieces, actually in quarters. So I'm going to let the zucchini cook and get a little bit soft before I add in the rest of the ingredients. All right, I'm going to add in my diced green chilies. These give this so much flavor. They're so yummy. So I'm going to add that into my ground turkey and my zucchini. And I'm going to add in my riced cauliflower. So I just get the frozen riced cauliflower, put it in the microwave for a couple minutes, and it is ready to go. So I'm going to give this a stir, and lunch is ready.
All right, so the ground turkey, zucchini, cauliflower rice with the diced chilies is all ready. So I'm going to portion it into my meal prep containers. I have these glass containers that I love. They're great for meal prepping. I will link these in the description box if you need some new, really good quality meal prep containers. These are awesome. So I'm going to portion it out, and lunch will be ready for each day this week. All right, so breakfast, lunch, and snacks are ready to go, all portioned out. I have my little mini pancakes. They call these silver dollar pancakes, super easy to make in the oven, and I used a carb-friendly mix to make those with, so really great. I'll have a little bit of sugar-free syrup with these in the morning. I'm gonna store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, so I'll portion into that later. I have my edamame. I steamed it in the bag, and now it's ready to go, portioned for each day. Have my mozzarella cheese stick, and I have my lunch with ground turkey, cauliflower, zucchini, and diced chilies all ready to go. So it's a really healthy meal for this week, under $17 for everything, so it's really budget friendly and really healthy. So if you like this one, subscribe to my channel, put a like, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I will see you next time. Hope that you have a great day. Bye-bye.